Back again live at the command center of the JW Solar USA, live in Minnesota. Guys, this is the project today. What I'm doing here, dissecting this battery, and took the other Pi that was here, something like this, identical. I was 12, and it's gonna be I already set it up for 24 volts, 8 batteries, series, 2 strings of 4 coming live here. This is gonna be the new string, which is gonna be 4 kilowatt, 66 times 6. So the 2015 NISSAN Leaf Gen 1. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So has a 4 kilowatt of storage, lithium storage, 24 volts configuration. If you see what I've done here, sorry I didn't show you guys how I compress this. And I use one of the plates here. And these are the plates that normally be on the batteries to compress. And this one worth a lot of money. You know, even if you want to buy them, if you don't buy the entire battery, this one costs you so much money. Even all kind of parts on the Nissan Leaf cost you money. So this is what I did. I have this, and I have spacers. They call them spacers. They have the bottom one and the top one. This is the top one that sits right here, and this is how it goes right there, and you can have it right there. That's how the spacer sits on the batteries. And you have a little one, a smaller one, which is half of this here. So it's gonna be like a hole down here. It's just a short one like this that goes right at the bottom here. Okay, and the way it goes the other way, like this. Okay, like upside down, and the top one goes like that. Okay, right up, the other one points down this way. So that's what I've done here. This package is going for Stevie B Rockstar Solar, and you guys have seen him. I already installed PIP-LV MSD inverter hybrid charger from MPP Solar, and you guys have seen those videos 2 years ago. I have the opportunity, one of the first guys, you know, in the US, one of the first in the 10 top guys that end up having the LV MSD for the 120 volt for the US version. All the other folks were using the 230 international, so I had a 120. So check out this channel. You will see his system is still going strong with all the 2 PIP 2424 LV MSD. So he had about 4800 of lithium, 4800 of inverter charger, but it's not using the chargers. It's only using, he incorporated classics. He has 3 classics inverters, charge controllers now. So you got 3 set of arrays, very close to 5 kilowatts of his solar. So this is what is going to be going there. He's going to try the lithium. So I make a package for him, cut him a deal on my system, and so he can just have the taste of it, the feel of lithium. So now he's gonna put this as a 1, because he had so much batteries. One string has a I think it's a 1200 and something plus amp hours on one inverter, and the other one has only about 630 amp hours, which is AGM batteries with the VMAX. So now he's gonna take the rest of the batteries and pour into 1 PIP, because he didn't parallel those. So he run individual. That's how he runs his house. 1 PIP is running the upper side, the other one is running the lower side. And one of them is running the heavy loads, like a washer and freezer, the garage, and air conditioning, window air conditioning. He has some of those on the summertime to cool the batteries, and the other one running the upstairs microwave, whatever, you know, it's running there with his system. So this is what is I set up for him. Here is the configuration side. 4 reds on the negative side. That's what you want to do for a series configuration. If you want to do them in parallel mode, you have to have all the positive on one side, all the negatives on one side. If this one would have been a 12-volt system, you have all the reds, 4 reds on this side and 4 blacks on this side for a 12-volt system. So it's got 7.6, that gives you that very close 16.2, 16.4. But for 24 volts, you have to have them this positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So, and it was a 12-volt system as well. You have to put the center taps here. You're going to include them. So if you have all the reds here, you're going to have all bus bars back here and all bus bars back here on the other side. So all reds, all blacks, and all center taps. But on 24 volt right now, they have to be this way. So we're going to go back and wire them. So what we're going to do here to get a 24 volt configuration, you have to set up this. So you're going to start wiring your batteries. So a negative to a positive here. We place this one right there. And we have, from there, we're going to have, you're going to come from the other side here. So one of these posts is going to be your positive. So take one of these posts here, right there. Okay? See? So positive, negative. The power transfer here comes to this other battery. From this second battery is the power transfer. The negative there goes to the positive right here. See that? Negative, positive. So we got negative, positive. Okay. If it was wrong, it's going to arc right away. It's going to spark. So now you have negative, positive here. And now you have negative, positive here. So you got to put the next bar here. If it was wrong, it was going to spark right away, arc. So now we end up with positive, negative. So all in all, you just need about 6 bus bar to do this 1-volt configuration. So and be careful, because it's gonna be dangerous if these batteries, anything drop on them and they will arc, and you don't want that to happen. You know, these batteries don't like to be shorted. So you just have to get your bus bars. So what I did, I provided all the stuff for them, which is the spacers. You're spacers, but not the bus bar. They gotta buy the bus bars themselves. And same thing here. So you're gonna have in a positive and a negative. So this one goes to the bus bar of the negative. This one goes to the bus bar, or your bus bar on the positive. So you're gonna be having one positive, negative, one positive, negative. So it's 2 positive going to the bus bar, 2 negatives going to the bus bar. So got a bus bar right here, a bus bar right here. But this is how it's gonna be for the 24 volts configuration. It sits right there. You have these ones here. They are series, and series this one. Then you have a positive here and a negative here. The same thing I've done here. Negative, positive, negative, positive. So you go to the center, the 2 batteries in between, and negative, positive. Then you have a negative here, you have a positive here. Okay? And that's all you gotta do for your 24 volt system. Well, thanks you guys if you guys are watching and learning, and this is just a video that's supposed to be out there and show people. Well, I hope Steve is gonna learn all these by himself, and sometimes we have to learn things by ourselves, and this is that makes us better. This might make us stronger and tougher, and we're able to understand our system. We know how to defend them in time to come. Live here at JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Like and subscribe.